Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri badi Peit ya Tnat excise uba Kyrmen shila. Habakran bagi nong thok kubor ha pestri kam jong habe dei ba jingdi ba di kyat. Ulong ba kam dei ka kam jong ban ong ba di kyat ka bha ni kam bha. Ula ben rap da ka bong bo lei I habun ki jela ki bade ki jela bom sha di kyat ka jur bha ka jingpren kam yu jingdi bu aj udrok. Ula ben rap da ka bong bo udrok udi jingdi uba ma bha bat kan kata ru iki samla bat ki bala he la san ru kumju. Menteri Tnat excise ula ben rap da ka bong ba sarkar ka Peit chakmat bahagino gino ki jaka baduna ki bade kyat ki sha ya katukani ban bu dukan bat kim sha ban bu bunteli. Uba Kyrmen ula ong ba kilayo sngo bat yo ru ka kai phat bhagawe ka jaka ki don bun tadi ki dukan ka sarkar ka Peit ki kot kisla bat kamut ba ki bayo NOC na kirang ba shnong kin yo no ban bu dukan wine store Hynrei ka Tnat kan sapet bha ya kani. Habede ba jingyo ka jela na kini ki dukan kian menteri ka sarkar jela ula ong ba minta umpat tip hadu kat no kinyo Hynrei kintang shudap ban pentri kam yaki QR code ka jingyo kan kiyo shibun menta Hynrei hakini gisnam ki banwan ula khodro ikiriu pat ba belada ki don kanu kanu jing ajing mut kila ban ai sha Tnat nak benta ka jimin toy jong baro.
Actually, let me just compare when it comes to drinking. I know what what you might feel it that how this drink will be, better than the drugs. So I'm here not to mention whether drinking alcohol is better or not, but it's just that I've seen many states, a dry state, there's a lot of drugs has been introduced, and then many kids, involved into drugs. But in our state, we are not a dry state. We allow alcohol as per the rules and regulation to be followed. Based on that, still drug is there. There are few pockets which I have seen that alcohol is not allowed, completely banned, where they do not allow to introduce alcohol in some localities. I have seen those areas, some part of it. I cannot say all of it. Some part of it, I have seen the children start involving into drugs. So drinking alcohol is not alternative. I will not say that. But for me, I feel drugs is one very dangerous substance where it really affects the youth of our state, and not only the youth, I've seen even the elders also. So for this we have to be very careful. And even alcohol also, why we are selling alcohol, because based on the policy, because of the policy of the government is allowed to sell in the state. That's why we allowed it.
There are concerns of
Because of that reason, and based on this, we are trying to look forward to see wherever there is less wine shop, we could allow few more numbers. Wherever there's too many, we might not allow. That is under process. We are looking forward within a matter of time. The officers will bring with the documents and with the location based wise where to introduce some more alcohol liquor shop.
So
We stop it temporarily to complete this study, because we have heard and we got the report also from time to time. We even got a complaint that in one location there's many. So to tackle that, we stop it temporarily, and then based on that we conduct a study, and with this IEMS we introduce it. We'll get the proper data, and then we will start for where to introduce and how many to introduce. Based on that, we will not give it randomly wherever you want, just getting the NOC from the Rambach. No doubt, in those locations where we don't have a wine shop, we might allow, but until unless they got the NOC from the Rambach, even though they don't have yet, we cannot do anything. We have to wait for them to get the NOC and then introduce it on those locations where there is no wine shop.
So what is the revenue now here? How much you collected?
We expect approximately from 2-3 years back 400-500. That is our expectation. So exactly I cannot say because we are still in the middle of the year. So we expect it should be around 4 plus. Maybe should cross 500. But after completion of this IEMS process, this QR code and all, we expect a huge change will be there. Not suddenly, but a matter of maybe a year or two. Then you can see a huge change will be there. That is our expectation. Actually, rules is for everyone, either local or the outsiders. But we are trying to protect and then give, as much as we can give the support to them, we are trying the benefits. That is how we try to frame the rules and all the policies. But if somebody would like to, give any ideas, most welcome. We are here. We would like to hear from them, and if they want to share any ideas to, frame or modify these policies, is really most welcome. So that it can be a blessing for, especially the people of our state, the locals. Because previously, when we don't have this QR code, we have hologram. So through this hologram, we still find out that there's some illegalities has been practiced within our state, where people start their own factory illegally. And last time we discussed within the house also that how it happened. So for this, with this QR code, if somebody sell the adulteration liquor in the market, it will automatically find out. If you just scan it, then that will show itself whether this drink is genuine or not. If somebody bought it from outside, though it is consumable, but if it is bought from outside of the state and then sell it in our state without the proper procedure to be followed, then it shows that is invalid. So that is how we are trying to, protect the users, especially the consumer, consume this drink, because we want to make sure that all the liquor sell within Meghalaya, it has to be approved by the authority.
So how will you ensure that
That is our priority, and we'll make sure if any kind of practice, any factory doing such kind of practice, and that has to be taking strict action against it.